Hello good people, welcome to the Zero Code channel. We specifically work on different product reviews just for you. We took our time and invested our energy to do extensive research on different products available in the market coming from different brands. The research included is checking out all the exclusive features, the durability, and also the reliability of the products. Our team is very experienced and they're working relentlessly so that you can find your perfect product. So be with us, support us, and pick your best product from one of them featured in the video. Thank you.
Number 5. Microsoft Natural. Split ergonomic design encourages natural hand, wrist, cushion palm rest provides support, and promotes a neutral wrist position. Palm lift promotes a relaxed, natural angle for your wrist. Media keys for music and video control. Microsoft Natural Ergonomic Keyboard 4000. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 4. Kinesis Advantage 2. Dual legended QWERTY Dvorak keycaps, for Dvorak typists. Professional grade ergonomic keyboard, with patented contour design. New smart set programming engine, with onboard remapping. New mechanical function row keys, Cherry ML tactile switches. Windows, Mac and PC Linux, and Android compatible. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 3. Pyrrhix Paraboard. Split key and 3D design conforms to your natural arm. The tactile keystroke is designed in order to reduce pressure. Plug-and-play keyboard, with USB interface, and 6.0 FT cable. System requirements, Windows 7, 8, 10, wired USB connection. The ergonomic split keyboard is different from the traditional desktop keyboard. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 2. Microsoft Sculpt. Split key set design helps to position wrists, forearms in a natural, relaxed position. Cushion palm rest provides support and promotes a neutral wrist position. Domed keyboard design positions wrists at a natural, relaxed angle. Separate number pad provides greater flexibility for workspace setup. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 1. Logitech MK550. Ergonomic wave design. Integrated palm rest. Precision laser mouse. Long battery life. Simple setup. Please check the description for details and best price.